Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, what we want to do is we want to adjust our brightness in these settings. So we want to go to the settings, now scroll down to display and brightness. And here, make sure that you disable adaptive brightness first. Make sure that this switch here is gray because as you guys can see, whenever I make it green, then it turns on and it basically messes up my brightness. So make sure to set it up to a pretty good level. You need to figure this one out, which level is good for you. And after that, you're ready to go over to the Play Store and do the next step. Now in the Play Store, we're going to be downloading the screen dimmer to dim our screen a little bit more. So let's type in screen dimmer OLED Saver, and we will have this app right here. Now we want to click install, and now the app is installing. It's only 1.5 megabytes, so it will install instantly. Let's go over and click open. Now we want to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings. This is because it needs to change our brightness. Now this is basically whenever we want to enable our keyboard or change the overlay or rotate our screen, it also has to apply the same brightness. So now the notifications, you will not get any notifications from the app, and the only notification you will get is simply right here, the silent one, to adjust your brightness by tapping on it. So if you use the app, you still see the flickers, you guys can disable it, but then remember to adjust your brightness again. Now, after adjusting the brightness, let's go over to the settings and as a last resort, update our software. So click My Phone right up top here, go to XOS, and my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.